Discover the AXON, our most advanced platform for corded solutions. To reach optimal performance, AXON uses the latest components and technology. AXON combines a high-performance drive and smart module to bring corded assembly tools to the next level. AXON comes to us with a new design to become lighter, smaller, more reliable, and powerful. It can be used for the most demanding applications. You will have the flexibility to choose any type of tools, such as pistol, handheld or spindles, from 0.5 to 2000 Newton meters. Having separate backup in drive and module improves rebalancing and line optimization by switching between the module or the drive. AXON is equipped with an embedded web user interface that simplifies access to real-time data results anywhere, at any time. As a new pillar of the Desoutter ecosystem, AXON is fully interconnected to all the solutions provided: data-driven solution, process control, real-time motion tracking, screw feeding system, system integration. AXON, when corded solution, becomes flexible and scalable.